Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 starts in tablet mode every time when you log in. Okay, so let's log into this Windows 10. Let me provide the password. Let's log in. You can see guys, it starts in tablet mode when we are logged in. Okay, so how we can switch it to desktop mode when we log into our Windows 10. Okay, so for that you need to go to the settings. So for that you need to click on this notification area in the taskbar. Okay, so click on this notification, and here you can see that it's starts in tablet mode. So in order to change that, you just need to click on this all settings, and after that you need to click on this system, and here in the left menu you can see that here we have the tablet mode. Click on this, and here you can see guys, we have this option when I sign in. Okay, so currently we have this selected, automatically switch to tablet mode. So just click on this box over here, and here we have these options like go to desktop or remember what I used last. So just select this, go to desktop, and after that you need to click on this Windows 10 this start button, and click on this three bars over here. Click on your username, and after that here we have the sign out. Click on that, and you can see guys, it's signing out. Okay, so let's log in again, and let's see if this fixes our problem or not. So let me provide the password. Click on this button. Let's log in, and you can see guys, we are logged into desktop mode. Okay, so the problem is fixed. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.